Hello everybody. Today's book that I am going to read with you is Dolphins, and it's a Reader's Digest book that's actually written by, I think I've seen it inside, written by Sarah Albee. And it actually says on the back, on the blurb, a captivating series packed with exciting photographs, fun facts and insights to teach children all about the magic of the animal kingdom. Now I've had a little look inside because this is the Dolphin class book, and Mrs. Shaw has kindly let me have this to read. And if you have a little look inside, first of all there's a story, a fiction story about a dolphin, and then it follows on, so this is it, and a dolphin adventure. It follows on into lots of information about how dolphins swim, what they would like to eat, where they live, fishy food, all those kinds of things. And there's so much information in here that I thought that I would just share the story with you today, so it wasn't too long for the video. And I hope that you get a chance when you're in dolphin class in September onwards. I hope that those of you get a chance to read it then, or if we have one in the library, you might be able to read something about dolphins in the library. So, as I say, it's Dolphins by Sarah Albee. And it has contents at the beginning because it is written as if it is a information non-fiction book. A dolphin adventure. Little Dolphin zooms through the blue water. His long, sleek body speeds smoothly below the ocean's surface. Suddenly, he leaps from the water, then plunges headfirst below. He does this again and again. Each time he surfaces, a misty spray shoots into the air from the blowhole at the top of his head. And every time he takes a breath of fresh air before disappearing under the water. Little Dolphin is not alone. His friends, about 12 of them, leap and plunge with him. They are heading towards the coastline, where they expect to find large schools of tasty fish for breakfast. So the coastline is the edge of the water where the beach meets the land, and that's where lots of fish collect together, and they're called a school if they are in a fish school. Sometimes they're called shoals, pods. There's all different names for collective groups of creatures. All the dolphins in Little Dolphin's pod or group are males. They have been travelling and hunting together for a few years, ever since they were old enough to leave their mothers. There is no special place in the ocean that they call their home. Home is wherever the pod is at any given moment. So they like to move about. And it says here, wild words, pod, a group of dolphins travelling together. And if we remember in non-fiction books, we always read everything on the page, all the little diagrams and the annotations, labels. And this fact says, did you know dolphins have only a few predators? Sharks, killer whales or orcas, and sometimes humans. A predator means anything that would feed or want to hunt that animal, that creature. As the pod nears the coastline, Little Dolphin decides to dive farther down than the others. He hopes to find a place where some larger fish might be lurking. Down, down he goes, his tail propelling his strong body deeper and deeper. 100 feet below the surface, the ocean is inky black, but Little Dolphin is used to that. He has an amazing way of using sound echoes to tell him precisely where he is and what kinds of objects there are in the area. Just as he is about to pounce on a large fish, he hears a series of clicks and whistles. It is a call for help. One of his pod pals is in trouble. So the dolphins talk to each other through a special language of clicks and whistles. Little Dolphin turns around at once and rushes to the place where the sounds are coming from. His tail moves up and down rapidly, giving powerful thrusts to his speed. In the distance, he can see the problem. It is a shark. If you remember, the sharks were one of the predators. Little Dolphin sees that the other dolphins from the pod have formed a half circle around their comrade who is in danger. They are working together to send a clear message to the shark. If you attack, you will have to deal with all of us. The shark seems to think twice about the dolphin dinner he planned, now that the main dish is surrounded by plenty of friends. The shark takes one last hungry look at the dolphin and swims away. Fortunately, the dolphin is not hurt, just stunned. I'm not surprised. I would be really worried if that would happen to me. One of his friends pushes him to the surface so he can breathe. In a few moments, he is fully recovered. A little later, one of the dolphins sends out a call. This time it is a happy call. A school of fish has been discovered. The dolphins form a circle around the fish. Then they take in turns in zooming in to feed. When breakfast is over, Little Dolphin and his pod take off for the open sea. It is playtime now, because dolphins love to play. And it says here, a dolphin's disguise. Dolphins have dark-coloured backs and light-coloured stomachs. When the creatures swim, this light-dark arrangement helps to hide them from the enemies who hunt them, predators. Seen from below, the light stomachs blend in with the sunlight, and viewed from above, the dark backs blend in with the ocean. So that's how nature has evolved, made it really, really clever. So we've gone on to chapter 2 now, and I'm going to leave that book there so that you can maybe enjoy it next time you're in school. So much information. I think that's a fabulous photograph. Dolphin with a blowhole. They're just such lovely creatures, and I think that you'll enjoy reading this book. So thank you, Dolphin class, for letting us share your book today, and I hope you really enjoyed that. Thank you very much, children. Take care. Bye-bye.